Hi and welcome. My name is Jim Shirley, and in this video we are going to look at getting logged in to your WordPress website. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your email and find the email that I've sent you that has your login credentials for the website, and then you're going to go to open up a web browser like Chrome or Internet Explorer, and then you're going to type in your web address. So in this case we're on one of my websites, and then you're going to just put slash and then WP dash login after the address. So you won't necessarily have to type that in. You can basically just click on the link from your email, or you may have a little login link somewhere on your website at the bottom of the page, and you can use that as well. They all kind of lead to the same place, which is this screen that you're looking at here. It has a little WordPress logo, sometimes it doesn't, but basically what it will have is a username and password place. And so let's go ahead and get logged in here. Type in my password and log in. And then that's basically going to log you in and take you to your dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard area, you're going to see a couple of boxes, maybe customized a little bit for your own personal website, depending on what we've done for you. But basically, over here on the left, you're going to see a few places that you can work with, including posts, media, dealing with comments, and then tools and profile. So these are all things that you'll have access to. You may also see a thing called pages over here. So some of your login credentials will let you see the pages as well. In my case it doesn't, but that's okay because posts are very similar, and we'll cover pages in a different overview. So basically, once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do usually is either upload a video or a picture, or you want to create a post. So let's go ahead and create a new post. All you have to do is basically kind of hover your mouse over that or click on it, and then you're going to see that link to add new, and that's basically what we can do here. And type in a title. You may see this YouTube link or you may not. In this particular website I've got a YouTube plugin that lets me link my YouTube videos into the site. And then basically you'll have an add media button here, and this is where once you click it you can basically go to your computer by clicking the select files and upload your own pictures for the website. We'll do that in a different video though, so for now let's go ahead and just stick to the post area. This is basically what you've got for a place to type, and so you could type what you want to in here, and once you've typed things you can kind of change the way things look by doing a little trick that I'll show you here in just a second. So let's change this little section into a heading, and all we have to do that is basically go to the toolbar. Now it kind of is acting just like typing into a Microsoft Word document or Pages if you use Apple. You can basically click on B to make it bold. I'm going to turn that off. And then there's a little button here at the end of your toolbar that says show or hide the kitchen sink. Basically just opens up another secondary toolbar. Let's click on that button so that you see this little drop down, and instead of having the content down there as a paragraph, let's make it a heading. So headings are big, and that's basically one of the things that you want to frequently use in your content to sort of break it up is what you call subheadings as you write. So when you preview your post, you're going to have your post title, and that's going to be like a heading 1's type size. And then as you type, you may want to put additional headings throughout your text, just to break it up. Okay, so now let's make this one heading 2. It's just a little bit smaller than heading 1, but it's also big. And these headings also have special spacing in between the text. It won't always look the same here in this typing area as it does on your website. But let's go ahead and publish this. So once you're done, all you have to do is publish. And then you can basically kind of take a look by clicking your link up here to view the post. Okay, so add new post here. That was our title. There's our heading 1. There's just the regular font type. And there's our heading 2. So now you can see that we filed it under uncategorized. In this case, that doesn't really usually include very many posts. I like to put them in something more relevant. So let's go back to edit our post, which you can do just by up here at the top by clicking Edit Post. And then over here on the right side, you're going to see categories. Now for your website, if you haven't set some up already, you can do that now. All you have to do is create a new one. So in this case, I've already got a couple. If you don't see a place to add categories, it may just be something that you can have the web developer or myself do for you. But if you do see some categories there, then go ahead and select them if you want, and then you can click Update. And now your post will basically have those categories and appear in those categories on your website. And that's handy if you're writing blog posts or that kind of thing. Now, that really wraps up what I wanted to show you in this video, just kind of the fundamentals. Tune into another video to learn more about writing pages and setting your SEO settings for your pages, and we'll cover those things then. Thanks for joining me.